Hey, welcome back to Pascalini Productions. My name is Pasco, and today we're going to bust open the Elation Protron Eclypse. These fixtures are brand new, so I haven't encountered many problems with them yet. They're super bright, IP rated, and they're RGB, so they're quite versatile. You can check out the demo I did on them if you want to see them in action, but let's get to today's problem. Our issue here is that the screen is completely black. There's no power to it at all. First, I'm going to remove the back cover. I'll also need to remove some screws from the side to get the back off. With the back cover removed, I'll need to disconnect these two harnesses. I'm going to remove all the screws that hold this plate on and then lift it off. The screen assembly is held in place with 4 screws. With these removed, I can maneuver the whole assembly away from the frame. The screen itself is also held in place with 4 screws, which I'm going to remove to free the screen. I'm going to disconnect the harness from the rear of the screen and separate it from the assembly. Here's our new screen ready for installation. I'll reconnect the harness to the back of the screen and attach the screen to the mounting assembly. Before I put it back together, I'm going to power it up to ensure that this screen works and I don't have any other underlying issues. I see that I've got power, so I'm going to reassemble my fixture. With the fixture reassembled, I threw them into my quality control sequence and then I put them back in inventory. Pretty easy fix. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments and be sure to subscribe.